Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making the Dubai chocolate iced latte. Now, if you've seen two videos that I did, I actually seen a Dubai chocolate syrup. They got a Dubai, y'all. Now it is sugar-free though. But like I said, I'm tired of sugar-free stuff. I know some sugar-free stuff is not, but I don't think I want you. TJ Maxx. But I didn't buy it. However, I said I'm gonna make it. Now in the other previous videos, hopefully you saw those, I made the pistachio cream, and I also made the pistachio syrup, and I also did another video. So if you did not see any of those, make sure you go watch them when you watch this. I'm gonna put it all together. For my ingredients, I have my regular chocolate, my white chocolate, my salt, got milk back here. You can use any type of milk. I got my heavy whipping cream, got it today. Dark pistachio cream, and in this cup I got my pistachio syrup. The Dubai chocolate, even though it don't really have gold in it, I just feel like I need it. So I'm gonna put it in there a little bit on mine. You all hot. Almost missed you. Can't forget about little shorty. I'm short, y'all, and I love it. Alright, I have my green food coloring. Even though I know the pistachios got that color, but like I said, mine is, you see what color it is, it's almost brown. So yeah, I'm gonna use some food coloring, y'all. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. So there, that's about it, yeah, I'm gonna get started. This smells so good. I'm gonna take some of my cream. Alright, this is how the glass look. I'm gonna take my gold little wreaths and try to put it like on the rim. I might just end up using my hand. I'm not gonna play with you today, whatever. Okay, I did a little something. You know how I do. Okay, while that's freezing, I'm gonna make my coffee real quick. It's the espresso. Okay, I'm gonna take two also of the white chocolate. 1, 2. This is half a tablespoon, so less than half. If you want to put more, you fill it all up. So yeah, you can. I'm not doing that. Put in some salt, milk, 2 of these of the cream. 1. I can only do 1 because I need this last bit left over. Never mind. Now I'm gonna use some pistachio syrup. I'm gonna use like 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. A bag over it. Shake it. Well, this side look first. The color that smells good. Look at that almond in that smell. Oh yeah, I think I did use a little bit of almond. Okay, it is good, but it's a little bit bitter. Another one of the white chocolates. But there's some more milk. Just mix it up with a little spatula. I'm gonna taste it again to make sure this is to my liking. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I like this. I am side shade next up as well. I have like a little bit of cream. This is what I'm gonna use to make cold foam. Okay, now I'm putting that food coloring. I put like 1 drop for right now. Now, baby, when I tell you my food frother, when I tell you my frother is messed up, so I'm gonna have to do this by hand. I'm gonna taste it too. Definitely taste that cream. Alright, y'all, I'm ready to assemble. Hey, y'all. I took this out the freezer. And I like how it dripped a little bit down. It's perfect. Alright, I'm gonna put in my ice. It's gonna be a combination of coffee ice and regular ice. Oh yeah, and I know some people use that katafi, if I'm saying it right, in theirs. It's giving hay. In the middle of the bomb. I don't want that hay in my drink or the katafi hay. None of them. But if you want to put it in y'all, you can. I'm talking about the katafi, not the other hay. It's giving thief. Say this, I always want to steal the show. Yes, baby. Yeah, I'm trying to get some of this chocolate that I cut up. You can tell me I ain't do this. Because I did. This is beautiful. If only when I make food. Because it be tasting good, but some of it don't. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. However, but when I make these drinks, girl. Mmm, it's good. I do taste that sweetness, but not overly sweet. I do taste the nuttiness, definitely. Now, can I say it's pistachio per se? I just know it's nuttiness. A nutty, sweet, but not overly sweet. I taste the salt balance it off. This is good though. And I guess because of the white chocolate, also balance off. You taste the. If you see when I was making the cream, I added in that brown butter and different things. I taste a little bit of that too. In the regular chocolate is not overpowering because I use too much. This is the one, not the two. I give it a 10. $10 a day, baby. Like I told you, when I'm done or about done on the video, you know it's good, baby. Like iced coffees and you like the white chocolate. I don't even know how the real one tastes. So I never even taste the bar. But I got bars for you. No, I don't. Okay, bro. But I've been trying though. Hit this recipe up, y'all.